Welcome back, everybody. I'm up elk muzzleloader hunting with my friend Steve. We're up here in the Rocky Mountains, unseasonably hot, and so far the elk are nowhere to be seen. We came into town for a little R&R, and I'm going to show you how to make a mountain garlic burger.
Let's give it a try.
Check out this garlic toast. We bought this at the local grocery store. Man, it looks amazing. And I'm thinking this is gonna be our bread. That's gonna be our bun. So come in here, Steve, and let's, how big do you wanna go for a burger?
Yeah, it's gonna be.
Like something like that. Pick these up at the grocery store, ribeye burgers. Now, a lot of grocery stores sell this. We got this at Safeway. Oh my goodness, are you kidding me? So we're gonna go ahead and take these ribeye patties, which by the way, hopefully look gorgeous, glistening in the sun. We're gonna mix these up. So we're gonna drop them down into my little mixing tin. So Steve, if we're doing 2 burgers, what do you think, that's probably enough? And we have my old friend, the Lipton Recipe Secrets Onion Recipe Soup and Dip Mix. Back in the 80s, this was just called Lipton Onion Soup Mix. And I like to do about 1 pack per pound of meat. So come in here close, Steve. Let's open this up. This is great. These, oh my goodness. Look at that. Now, I made these for a video on my YouTube channel a few years ago. I was thinking back on my youth and how my mother used to make Lipton onion burgers, and somebody commented, they said, you forgot the Worcestershire sauce. Oh my goodness, apparently I did. So let's go in there. I don't know what I would do without these disinfecting wipes, by the way. Cook out here in the woods. There's going to be a lot of trial and error, folks, because got a weird shape going on there. We definitely rather have it be a little too large than too small. So these are going to be almost rectangular. What do you think, Steve? Do you think that's good? Something like that?
That'll work.
So Steve says that'll work. We'll make 2 that look just like that. These are probably going to be a good 1/3 pound, at least. These are solid patties. Got the brand new Blackstone 22-inch griddle with flex hold legs. I didn't bring any seasonings with me. We're going bare bones. Found this at the grocery store. It's Grill Mates, coarse black pepper, and flake salt. I think this will work real fine. It's been about 3 or 4 minutes. Let's go in for a flip. Oh, baby. Prime rib Lipton onion burger. Picked up some of the Hormel Black Label pre-cooked bacon, folks. The cheater's way out, but come on, we can do it. Just gonna put that down and get it nice and warm on the griddle top. I'm gonna go down with double sharp cheddar cheese on both patties. That's double, folks, okay? So double of that, and then we're gonna pick up this bacon and figure out a way to lay it across each burger. One lucky person, one lucky contestant is gonna get a free piece of bacon. And here's that garlic toast that we got in the deli at the grocery store. So this stuff's really soft, pretty much ready to be eaten. Put that down for a few seconds just to toast it up. All right, it's been a few minutes. Let's reach in there. Look at that. See that glistening in the sun? Oh yeah. Gonna start out with a little bit of mayo. This is olive oil mayo on the bottom. some roasted garlic sauce. Check this out. This stuff is so good. I didn't want to go straight garlic, but I think mixed with the mayo, this would be called like an aioli on the fly. Nate, is that an aioli on the fly? Got a bag of lettuce shreds here. We're doing this backwoods way. Look at this. Look at that lettuce. Gorgeous bed of lettuce. Here we go. All right, it's time to plate these up. We calling these mountain garlic burgers or garlic mountain burgers? What are we calling them again?
Garlic mountain.
Garlic mountain burger. Folks, sometimes just switching up the size of your burger like we're doing here. We're doing like ovals on garlic toast. It's all it takes. That's all it takes to, you know, just get you all excited again. I mean, how many times can I make the same burger over and over and over and over? So let's go ahead, check this out. Got some crispy onions. I think you know what I'm talking about there. Those are so good, folks. And look at here, as we're by this beautiful stream, flowing down out of the mountain mines, you can actually see the minerals in the stream. Oh, Colorado Motherlode Provisions original steak sauce. Oh, yeah. The crispy onions. Oh, icing on the top. Gorgeous looking crown on top. Take a look at that. I keep forgetting what we're calling these, so I keep going back to Steve. Mountain garlic burger, or it could be the mountain motherlode garlic burger. I forgot my tripod, so I'm gonna go in for the first ever selfie mode. Let's give it a try. Steve, show us your sandwich. The garlic mountain burger? Mountain garlic burger.
Mountain garlic.
Oh, I'm like, why can't I remember it? Let's give it a try. Can you taste the garlic?
Just a little bit. Add some garlic.
There's a lot of garlic in there. Who was it that said that garlic is good? Was it a friend or a teacher or someone in Hollywood? For garlic, it heals us, its powers are anything but small. So don't make fun of it, it lowers cholesterol. So the next time you're hungry, try something good and fast. Because the taste of garlic on your breath will always last. Let's cheer. I think the elk are gonna be smelling us with all this garlic, so we're gonna have to wash up. But what can I say, I love garlic. And as with a lot of my cooks lately, I'm packing at the last minute. I forgot my griddle scraper, but not a big deal. You can just use your thin spatula. Unless you're doing something super messy like stir fry, you can use a spatula to scrape all your junk off the griddle top, like so. Then you should be able to come in here with paper towel and use it to get all those nasty crumbs down there into the grease cup, like so. You can clean this as thoroughly or as quickly as you want to. Depends on how much of those crumbs you want to get off your griddle top. Always like to leave my griddle top with a little bit of oil on there, so in this case using that extra virgin. We'll let that glisten in the sun, in the heat. Let that smoke off for a minute or two, and then we'll turn our griddle top off. You know, I'm saying we had to take a trip into town, but look at this, folks. It's pretty gorgeous how we're along the Snake River here, up near Montezuma, Colorado. So back to hunting this evening. Until next time, this is Todd and Steve. We're saying praise the Lord and pass the mountain garlic burger.